Hello, welcome back to Studying Science. Today's topic, object distance and the image distance in a plane mirror. Let us see both the distances are equal in nature. Let us verify this. Object distance and image distance in a plane mirror. This concept is very important to solve any mirror problems. So it is very easy, and let us see the concept of geometry, and I'll apply those things, and we'll check how to prove that. For that you need a plane mirror. This is a plane mirror, and I'm taking one light source. Let us see this light source, and I'll be taking two rays because I told in the last class to draw the ray diagram effectively we have to take at least two rays, right? So let us see. One ray is incident at angle of incidence 0 degree, so it falls normally on the mirror surface. After reflection, it will go along the same path from where it came, right? Clear? Another ray I am taking. So I can draw normal here. This is another incident ray, and after reflection, it will follow the path like this, right? Now I'm using red marker. Let us see, this is A, this is B, and let us say one observer is there. The observers will observe the image along a straight path, not along a bent path, because human eyes have the tendency to view anything, to observe anything along a straight path, not along the curve or bent path, right? So the observer will see along this. So I have to extend back the ray, right? Now here that incident ray falls normally on the mirror surface. I also need to extend it. So this meeting point or the intersecting point of two rays will give you the image formed in a plane mirror. Correct. Let us see this distance I. Okay. And let us say this distance O and normal in 1. Right? So this is normal, this is angle of incidence I. Similarly, as per the laws of reflection, angle of incidence equals to angle of reflection. Obviously, it should be I. Now see, this is the ray, it is, let's say, P. P-O-N, angle P-O-N, angle P-O-N, and angle I-O-N-1, angle I-O-N-1 are two vertically opposite angles. Therefore, they are equal. Hence, it will be obviously I. Clear? Now, this is normal drawn on the mirror surface, so this angle is 90 degree. Therefore, this angle, it should be 90 minus I. Clear? Glancing angle. Similarly, for this diagram or for this triangle, this should be 90 minus I. Clear? Because this is I and this is 90 degree, so 90 minus I. And obviously it is 90 degree and this is also 90 degree. right? Is it interesting, right? Yeah. So we have two triangles, AOB, triangle AOB, and triangle IBO or IOB, triangle IOB. Let us see what we can consider and what we can verify. So triangle AOB, angle AOB, angle AOB is equal to 90 minus I equals to angle IOB. IOB. Angle OBA, angle OBA is equal to 90 is equal to angle OBI. Clear? So two angles we know. What about this angle? And what about this angle? Let us recall the properties of triangles. The sum of angles equals to 180 degree. So for triangle AOB, angle OAB, angle OAB plus this angle 90 plus this angle 90 minus I is equal to 180 degree. Clear? So here we can write 90 plus 90, 180 cancelled. So it becomes OAB is equal to I. Wow, this is so interesting, right? This is I, this is I, this is I, also this is I. How is it easier to apply the geometry? Angle OAB is equal to I. Similarly, take triangle OBI or IOB. So angle OIB, angle OIB plus 90 plus this angle 90 minus I also equals to 180 degree, because these are the two triangles. Here also you can get angle OIB becomes 90, 90, 180 cancelled I. So what we can see from this and this, angle OAB equals to angle OIB. So what can we conclude from here? This angle, this triangle and this triangle, this angle and this angle are equal, this angle and this angle are equal. Also this is 90 degree. Now the line or side OB is the common side of the two triangles, and obviously this angle and this angle are same, and as it is the common side of these two triangles, then OB obviously will be equal for both the triangles, right? Then for this triangle OP is equal to OB, we can write for this triangle, right? So now the angle property, angle, side, angle, side, angle, angle, side, angle, ASA equal. So these two triangles are congruent. So triangle OAB and triangle OIB are congruent. CONGRUENT, congruent. Congruent means, so what is the congruent? Congruent means two triangles have to be congruent if angle, side, angles are equal. Therefore, it can be proved this line or this distance must be equal to this distance because they are congruent. Hence, we can write AB must be equal to BI. What is AB? Object distance. equals to BI, image distance. So we have proved through the geometry that the object distance and the image distance in a plane mirror always equal, and this is one of the important characteristics of image formation by plane mirror. More science concepts are coming. Till that, stay tuned to the Studying Science YouTube channel, and yeah, we'll be back right soon. Thank you. Tata. Bye bye.